You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh.
Hey guys, so I am back today with another hair review. So this hair review is brought to you guys by yswigs.com. So this is the 613 blonde unit, guys. It is 22 inches long and it is 180% density. Now with this unit, guys, it is a nice long unit. I do like the color, but you know I gotta do a little ash blonde. So I'm going in with the Revlon Color Silks hair dye. I used 3 boxes of the number 70 medium ash blonde and the number 50 light ash brown. So these are the colors I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you guys how I create this. Super inexpensive at Walmart for $2.68, guys, so you cannot beat it. Now let's continue on with the video.
Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise rewind. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. Let me know. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Let me know. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental. Give me your one time. It's okay. Bad man till they take you there. Pull up.
Alright guys, so I wanted to show you guys the products that I used to wash the hair. I did go in with the shimmer lights for about 20 minutes just to really ash out the hair and really tone it nicely, and it did work out pretty well. So this is what the hair looks like once I ashed it out. It is kind of like gray toned or whatever, but once you let the hair air dry out, you will see how beautiful the hair looks. Trust the process.
Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a dance. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a dance. Gold digger, girl she a gold digger. Man figure me a run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga.
Alright guys, so this is a finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So I did do a customization to this unit. So obviously when you get the unit, it's going to come to you in the 613 blonde color. So YS Wigs was nice enough to send me this unit, guys. So it is 22 inches long, about 180% density, and I absolutely love this unit so much. Now I use box dye, which I did get from Walmart for about $2.68 a box, which is super inexpensive. I've shown the customization like this before, guys, so I'll just try to link all the videos in the cards for you guys so you guys can go ahead and watch that. So for this one, guys, I kept it pretty simple. I didn't even try to do a side part or anything. With this unit, they do give you like about 3 inches of parting space directly in the middle. On the sides, you get like a little bit, but nothing too much, so you can get away with kind of like a side curve part and a middle part and maybe like a half up, half down style, which is probably all the styles that I usually do. So I really like that about this unit. Now I did show you guys that I customized the hairline, meaning adding kind of like semi-dark roots. Now I really like the fact that this time I didn't do like chunky dark roots, so it kind of blends pretty well, guys, if I may say so myself. Now I didn't go extra in doing baby hair magic because I like how kind of like sleek and kind of silvery blondish this hair looks. So I want to do like a slick middle part look and kind of give you like the Farrah Fawcett curls. I'll list the curl wand that I have in this video down below for you guys. It is the Duvali wand curler. Now you can save 70% off if you use my code Dominique today, guys. Now I just did a really nice little wand curl set, and I did go in with my spritz and just kind of kept it, you know, nice in styles. Now this hair does take the curl very nice. I was actually pretty impressed. I did have some hair in the past this week that wasn't that great with the curl product, curling style, but honestly and truly, this hair takes a really nice curl, as you guys can see. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but all in all, guys, I'm super impressed by this. I'm super mad though because we ain't going nowhere, because this could have been a really nice spring summer type of banger wig. I absolutely love the color, the length, the density, and everything is on point, and I love how it takes a curl. Like the curl is fabulous. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.